Good evening. Uh, Welcome to our usuals. Um, Tonight we want to touch base on one of the shared program that we offer here at Risha Training Academy, building effective teams. It's an important phenomenon that um, do exist, and we see it in many um, areas, many environment, because teams, when you have individuals working as individuals, you then don't have teams, and you need team to deliver. You need team to reach certain goals. You know, when people are involved in certain projects and they are working as individuals, chances are they are unable to achieve the goals that they would have set for themselves. So this course is very much important. You can enroll. You just go to rishacademy.coza. You enroll there. But I just want to speak briefly about what these effective teams entail. Why is it very much important in the organization? You know, when people work as a team, the sky is the limit. When people work as a team, you are able to achieve goals. When people work as a team, you also reduce level of conflicts. One thing we can't avoid is conflicts happening, but when you're working as a team, you raise the level high so that to such extent that people do appreciate that as people would have different views on many issues, and these issues do not have to lead us to conflicts. But it also helps when you're working as a team, the issue of diversity in the workplace, for instance. People come with different views on certain matter, but also the issue of gender in the workplace, the issue of disability as well in the workplace. Teams are able to make your organization function. And when I say function, I mean function. You know, where there's no really teamwork, you tend to find disconnection of the people that are working that organization or even a business unit to what is supposed to be achieved. They miss the the targets most of the time. They don't understand what is supposed to happen or what's supposed to be done. It's many reasons really that you'll find when there's no team, and you see this in your own organizations. And at times, you maybe even find people who commit that they'll do this and this, and they end up not doing those things. And maybe as a manager there, you only realize later that what has been committed by this person was not done, and perhaps there were not even enough reasons because people are disconnected. Um, and building a team, it requires also a leadership in organization, a leadership that believes in that people as one can do more. Leadership that is able to appreciate that in a team you have people who may have different values or cultures, but you have other people that might fail. And we learn from the failures. Those who are successful today, they failed several times. If you get to understand how some of the business people today, how they failed when they started their business several times, and at times it felt like all the doors were closed for them. But the resilience in them helped them to grow. So that is one role the leaders must play to build effective teams. Ensure that you have communication, and the communication, it must be consistent, not only with one person, but throughout. And one thing also, when you want to create effective teams, we need to avoid um, divisions in the teams where managers now become responsible to create those divisions that now create tensions, create conflict in the team. But also is the concept of design of work. The work that a person is performing there, is it interesting to this person? Is this person given some sort of responsibility to make some of the decisions? So there must be a link between what must be achieved from the organization point of view, and how do we go about it? The process of ensuring that everyone is on board in building that. And organizations where, you know, culture is taken serious, the culture of high performance, they tend to be successful in achieving their goals. And when you have a high performance team, you're talking about a high caliber of people that when working together, they bring the impact. And when you have this team, their main concern most of the time is the results. The results, the results, the results, the results. That is what they're main concerned of. So we need to ensure that both management and workers are able to work together towards a shared vision. And when people work towards a shared vision, they bring ideas. Those ideas are allowed. No, these ideas can be tested as well to check the viability of those ideas. I mean, I give example of NASA, the American agency. I mean, they're busy with the mission to go to what is this planet again? Uh, and they've been to a lot of missions. They are spending quite a lot. Uh, it shows the success in building the team. You know, locally, I would say people would say, hey, this one is biased, but look at how the transformation that Mamelodi Sundowns as a football club. It's a team. Is evidence how building effective team can do for you. They've been winning everything in domestic competition, and they've been consistent. Is the team, is the teamwork. It's because they've built effective teams. There are tools that are consistently used to review whether the team it is still cohesive, whether the team is still integrated, whether the team it is still aligned to the goals of the organization. So if we don't do this, I mean, NASA have sent rovers in the Mars. They still have a mission to send unmanned ship to Mars. With their mission to check whether the possibility whether people can inhabit it, Mars as a planet. This is not an easy task. When you build high effective teams, organization can perform to that level. And I've no doubt in South Africa with many organizations, including private companies, public institutions, that have done quite well because they prioritize effective teams. When you have effective teams, they will deliver for you. They would perform higher. And these are the people that will be innovative. These are the people that could handle conflicts. These are the people that are futuristic. They're looking at the future when you have high effective teams in the workplace. So that is how we end it. When you have a moment to visit the website and enroll for this program, you will be very much blown away. You can also send us WhatsApp 072 053 1753. You can email us at info@rishaacademy.coza or richard@rishaacademy.coza. Thank you. God bless.